Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to replace a Simplebooklet. This is useful when you've updated your content and want viewers to always see the most current version without changing your link, embed code, QR code, or any of the reports associated with your booklet. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to replace. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Replace button. From here, it will ask us to upload a new file. So we're going to click on that. And then you can either upload a file from your computer or from your Dropbox. So I'm going to go ahead and find my new file. Click on it here. And so now we'll be asked how we want to handle any existing enhancements. You can choose to keep all previously added enhancements like hotspots, links, videos, or narrations, or you can remove enhancements if you want to fully replace the content without carrying anything over. For this instance, I'm going to keep all previously added enhancements. You also have a number of optional advanced settings that you can edit by clicking on that button. For the conversion method, you can choose HTML5, which automatically converts links and allows for content edits, or image, which turns each page into a high-quality image you can enhance further. You'll also see options like bifold, which splits two-page spreads into separate pages, and enhanced image, which increases image quality but may affect load times. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Convert. When the conversion finishes, your Simplebooklet is updated automatically. Your existing link, embed, and QR code all stay the same, as well as all the analytics associated with your previous booklet. But now they point to the new version of your content. And then just a couple of things to know before you decide to replace your booklet. Replacing a Simplebooklet overwrites the existing pages. Your sharing links do not change, and all engagement data continues under the same booklet. This makes replacing ideal for revisions, corrections, or refreshed versions of the same content. Replacing a Simplebooklet helps returning viewers always see the most up-to-date content without confusion or broken links, supporting long-term engagement and consistency. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.